Peppa is having lots of fun playing in the snow with her friends.
That's cold.
But every game they play seems to cover them in cold snow.
Hello, Daddy.
Peppa, you're covered in snow. I think it's time to come inside and warm up, or you'll turn into a snow monster.
Snow monsters don't exist, Daddy. Can we play for 5 more minutes? Please!
Oh, all right then. 5 more minutes.
Yay!
Oh, dear.
Peppa and her friends play lots of games in the snow. They aren't worried about turning into snow monsters at all.
Let's play snowballs! Yay! You'll never get me, Peppa! What was that noise?
It sounded like...
Has anybody seen my glasses?
A snow monster! Quick, let's hide.
Oh, dear.
Let's hide here.
Phew! The snow monster won't find us here.
The snow monster has found them.
Peppa, it's me.
Oh, that's not a snow monster.
It's Daddy Pig!
I told you there was no such thing as snow monsters. Come on, Daddy. We'll make you warm again and melt all this snow.
And look for my glasses on the way.
Oh! Your glasses! Hooray!
Thank you, Susie.
Daddy Pig is very glad to be back home in the warm. He's not a snow monster anymore. Everyone is warming up inside with hot chocolate.
Even snow monsters like hot chocolate.
Baby Alexander and his family have come to say Happy Christmas. But Baby Alexander isn't happy at all.
Why is baby Alexander crying? Christmas is fun.
Well, this is baby Alexander's first Christmas. He doesn't know how fun it can be yet.
Then it's got to be extra special. I'll show him all my favourite Christmassy things. I love Christmas dinner. It has carrot, potato, sprouts. No, you're supposed to eat it, not throw it. Let's try something else. Wrapping presents is really fun. You can put the bow on top. No, we need to wrap them up so other people can open them.
Baby Alexander thinks unwrapping presents is much more fun than wrapping them.
I don't think Alexander likes Christmas at all.
Really? He's been having fun with you all day.
But I wanted it to be extra special for him.
Spending Christmas with his cousin is extra special, Peppa.
But he's doing it all wrong.
Alexander is just a baby. Maybe you need to find some simple things he can do right.
Christmas for babies. Oh, I have some ideas.
Baby Alexander enjoys passing out the Christmas presents.
Thank you, Alexander. This one's for Mummy.
And he really likes Christmas crafts.
Well done, Alexander.
And music.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
Hooray!
But he enjoys spending Christmas with Peppa most of all.
Now we'll always remember Alexander's first Christmas.
It is Christmas Eve, and Daddy Pig is putting the Christmas tree on the car so it can be decorated at home. Peppa is helping.
Whee!
Phew. Peppa? Oh!
We've got all the new decorations.
Birdie!
Perfect. Now let's head home.
Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to decorate the tree.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse
Sleigh. Hey!
Why have we stopped, Daddy?
I'm not sure we're going to fit in the tunnel with this tree.
Let's try going slowly.
Snowing!
Oh no! Bits of the tree are falling off.
We'll have to go the long way round.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Why is the car so bumpy?
The trees on the road are brushing against the tree on our car.
Oh no!
Maybe this road with no trees will be better.
This road has no trees, so the wind is blowing the Christmas tree.
Oh dear.
All the pines must have fallen off on the way.
But we need a tree for Christmas.
Birdie!
George has given Peppa an idea.
We can still decorate the tree and make it really fun and Christmassy.
That's a wonderful idea, Peppa.
Peppa and her family get to work decorating their new, special kind of Christmas tree.
Hooray! It looks lovely.
This bird thinks the Christmas tree looks lovely too.
Birdie!
Wonderful, Peppa. Now the birds can have Christmas too.
The birds love their new Christmas tree. Everybody loves the new Christmas tree. Ho, ho, ho. Peppa's family are having a New Year's Eve party, and all the guests are arriving.
Hello, Peppa. Are you excited to stay up until midnight? I'm going to have a nap, so I'm really awake for the fireworks.
Looks like George needs a nap too.
Would you like a nap, Peppa?
No, Mummy. We're big, so we're going to stay up until midnight. Let's go and play in my room.
Huh? What's that sound? Wake up, Peppa. You fell asleep.
No, I didn't. I'm big, so I don't need a nap.
How are we going to stay awake?
Oh, let's make each other jump. Then we'll be really awake. Let's try it.
I know what will keep us awake. Hide and seek. I'll be it. 1, 2, 3. Here I come. Oh, found you. Ouch. Huh? Found you.
I'm not sleeping.
Huh? Found you, Peppa.
What? I wasn't sleeping.
Peppa and her friends are trying to think of another way to stay awake.
Let's have something to eat.
These are yummy. Now I'm so full.
I'm not tired anymore.
Emily, wake up.
Wake up! It's almost midnight.
We almost missed it.
Maybe you should have taken a nap like us. It's time for the fireworks. Fireworks. 5,
Peppa loves staying up late on New Year's Eve.
2, 1. Happy New Year!
Everyone loves staying up late on New Year's Eve.
Boing, boing, boing.
Emily Elephant is bouncing on a space hopper.
Why are you bouncing in the sandpit, Emily?
It's my New Year's resolution.
What is that?
It's a challenge you have to do for the whole year. Mine's bouncing. Boing, boing.
I want a New Year resolution too.
Peppa and her friends are going to make their own New Year's resolutions.
I'm going to score a gazillion goals. 1, 2.
I'm going to talk in gobbledygook. Bingly bangly bibbly bobbly wibbly wobbly. I'm going to be a tiger. Roar, 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 roar.
I think my New Year's resolution will be to jump in muddy puddles. I just have to find some first.
6, 1, 9, 4.
Danny Dog is muddling his numbers and getting very tired.
Boing, 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 boing. Roar.
Candy Cat's roars have given Emily Elephant a fright. Emily Elephant has lost her space hopper.
Where are you, muddy puddles?
Peppa can't find any muddy puddles.
Oh. Can you see any muddy puddles, Susie?
No, I can't. I mean, muddly, muddly, puddly, puddly. Roar!
Everyone is finding their New Year's resolutions quite hard.
What are you all doing? We're doing our New Year's reservations. 11 to 12.
Mine is jumping in muddy puddles, but I can't find any.
Ho, ho, ho! New Year's resolutions aren't about doing these sorts of challenges.
Aren't they?
No, they're about choosing nice things to do in the next year. Things like helping with the washing up.
Or tidying your room.
Oh!
easier than scoring a gazillion goals. Speak for yourself. 101.
Splash, splash.
Dinosaur!
Today, Peppa and George are helping to make Christmas lunch. They are giving the vegetables a bath.
Quack, quack. Yes, they need bath toys. There you go, vegetables.
That's not quite what I meant when I said wash the vegetables.
I finished cooking the potatoes. Why don't you and George mash them?
Yes, yes.
Potatoes!
Not with your hands, with these.
Okay, Daddy.
Now, what's next, Mummy Pig?
Done.
That was quick. Ho, ho, ho! You've made an igloo out of potato. What fun!
You can help me ice the cake now.
Yes, please.
With a few bits of green icing and some splodges of white icing, it looks like mistletoe.
Mistletoe!
Hooray! Our turn, our turn.
Here you go, Peppa. You do the leaves, and George, you do the...
Ooh. Like this?
Well, not quite, but this is much more fun than mistletoe.
It looks like a snowman.
Snowman!
Granny and Grandpa Pig are arriving for Christmas lunch.
Happy Christmas, Oh my.
Peppa and George's Christmas lunch looks messier than Grandma Pig expected.
Peppa and George have been helping us make the Christmas lunch.
It's not how we'd normally do it.
No, but it's much more fun.
Peppa and her family enjoy a lovely Christmas lunch together. It's filled with lots of laughter and some fun new traditions too.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas!